Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. You are here with Code Purpose, and today is our number 10th exercise for beginners using C++. And today we are going to find the preceding letter, the following letter, the ASCII code of the given letter. Now first we will need a parameter which will be of type char. Now simply we will just write and enter the character. Now we will write sin, ch. Now simply we will just start printing them. Cout. The given letter is ch and line cout the preceding letter is. Now to find the preceding letter, first we will need to write char. Now we will need brackets and write ch minus 1. That's how we will find our preceding letter. And line. Now for the following letter we will just need the same. Instead of minus we will have plus. And instead of preceding, we will have following. Now we will just need cout the ASCII value is. Now to find the value of this, first we will need the type integer. And inside of brackets, we will just simply write our given parameter, ch, and line, and write return 0. Now simply just try the code. Let's type B. The given letter is B. The preceding letter is A, the following letter is C, and the ASCII value is 66. There you go, guys. This is how we find the preceding letter, the following letter, the ASCII code of the given letter. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.